So, because fall's here, it was only necessary to change my hair color. I decided to go with a caramel balayage. I did way more balayage than you normally would get. That's because I really wanted to get rid of the dark and embrace the fall and autumn colors. I did just want to remind you guys that I am not licensed. I don't recommend you doing this, but if you do try it at home, I wish you the best of luck, and please let me know how it turns out. And you always want to use heat protectant. I will be posting all the products that I used in the description below, and I'll also be taking pictures because I know sometimes when you go to the store, it's hard to find it without a picture. So for those of you that don't know, balayage is just free painting your hair. Yes, you can go get it done for anywhere from like $150 to $300 or more, depending on where you go. But I mean, I love how it came out, and I am so happy that I only spent $30 on this. So doing balayage yourself is very difficult, considering that you can't see the back of your head, unless you have a mirror set up facing the other mirror, but I didn't have time to do all that. I just wanted to get it done because I know my way of doing it. So to start this process off, I started off with 2 triangles on the top of my head, and then I had the whole rest of the back of my hair down. I did a V shape, horizontal shape, and then I just kept doing that until I got to the top of my head. I wanted to make sure that the top of my head was a V shape so that the back of my hair did not look funky. So if you do more layers, just make sure that you always end up with a V shape on top. The same technique on the 2 sides of my head because I parted it in 3, as you can see. So after I do my entire head, I am then going to let it sit for 45 minutes because my ends were already light, but my hair had grown out, so the middle needed to be bleached longer. After 45 minutes, I washed my hair out with just shampoo and cold water because you do not want to put heat onto bleach. Trust me, your hair will fry off. So after bleaching and washing, I go in. I don't need to part it. I just take it basically 3 individual slices on my head and I just paint the color on because my hair's already bleached. I'm not too worried about the roots. I do the roots after and the end, as you'll see in the video of me doing it. And instead of toning it, because I didn't want to cool it down, I didn't want it gold, I just wanted to put the color that I desired on top of it immediately. Sit for 25 minutes maximum because I don't want to damage my hair anymore. Once that is all done, then I go in the shower, I wash my hair, I deep condition, and I leave it sit for almost 10 minutes. Some of you may think different and may not want to do it my way, but I did not want to dry my hair because I did not want to put heat on it. If you do have any questions about this look, or if the technique is a little confusing to you, please comment below and I will try to explain to the best of my ability. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.